babes, welcome back to another video. So you guys, it is nighttime right now. Before I go to bed, this overall video is going to be my nighttime skincare routine, and then also a little bit of my morning routine. I'm going to be showing you guys new supplements that I started to use, liquid collagens and stuff like that. It actually got my skin way better, back to actually where it's supposed to be. So I'm very excited to show you guys, and I love these self-care videos. So yeah, so of course the first thing I'm going to use is my gentle gel cleanser, which you guys know is by Urban Skin RX. I vouch for them 100%. Their skincare products are A1. I will say that you have to find the skincare product that works for you, because there are maybe like 2 products that I have tried from them and it didn't work best for me, but I do find that the gentle gel cleanser works good for me. I have sensitive, oily skin, so the gentle gel cleanser works great for me, and this is what I've been using for a little over a year now. So I'm just gonna put a little bit over like a dime-sized piece on my face. And you guys, normally they say it's good to like rub in your skincare products. I have like a water bowl right here, so if you guys see me they said it's good to rub in the skincare products before you actually put water on your face, which is good. And then also in this routine, I'm also going to be doing dermaplaning. Now that's one thing that I feel like you can do outside of your esthetician doing it, like with your facials. I wouldn't recommend doing any extractions on your face at home. Highly wouldn't recommend. I would just have your esthetician do that. I feel like it's the safest way, so you don't get any dark spots or anything, or any type of irritation to the skin that can cause any other long-term effects to your skin. And this is like me learning stuff over time. So now that I've kind of mastered, like, you know, getting my acne down and getting my skin where it needs to be, as you guys seen, my skin literally was just breaking out, and my face is now recovering from the hyperpigmentation and dark spots from what happened. But my face, as you can see, you guys, my face is clear, like literally. It's just my dark spots now and my hyperpigmentation. So now we're just going to rinse this off, and as you guys can see now, my skin looks so glowy. I cannot wait to show you guys what I've been using also as far as like supplements. And it has literally, my skin is just glowing like for no reason. It's just literally glowing. So I'm about to just rinse my face off, and then we're going to get into the Derma-Planing. Okay, so always hearing birds, so interesting. Okay, I just put some Aquaphor on my lips because, yeah, my lips are too big for that, for them to be looking chapped. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dermaplaning. If you guys don't know what dermaplaning is, it's basically if you grow hair on your face. Yeah, you grow hair on your face, and you want to make sure you get that off. So what I typically use is extra virgin olive oil. They said this is fine to use on your skin. So I'm just putting and rubbing this on my face. And I typically know like within a month that it's gonna be time to dermaplane again, because yeah, I grow hair on my face. So this is what I mean, you guys. Now I'm about to just do the other side. All right, you guys, so I am done with the dermaplaning. Yeah, my skin is definitely much brighter, but like I said, with the dermaplaning, with that, it's just when you grow hair on your face, it could trap things inside of your skin. Like, let's just say you're cleansing, right? But you have all that hair on your skin, and it's really not getting, like, cleansing your face and cleaning it and exfoliating it, whatever you're doing, it's really not getting it all like it's supposed to when you have all that excess hair on your skin. But when you get rid of all that and you dermaplane, and then you get into your skincare routine and you're exfoliating, it gets everything off your skin, basically. So this was the time for me to dermaplane. I was gonna wait till I get my next facial to dermaplane, but I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and it's worked out for me. So if you want to do this as an at-home care thing, you can definitely use extra virgin olive oil. You can definitely use it on your skin. It does not hurt your skin at all, and I have sensitive skin, so I'm telling you right now, if you do have sensitive skin, you can definitely still use it on your skin. So now what I'm about to do, again, because I can still wash my face fine and the virgin olive oil is not going to do anything. So what I'm going to be using on my skin now is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I use this 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm telling you right now, this stuff has definitely worked on my skin as far as getting rid of all the dead skin cells, and basically getting rid of like any blackheads, whiteheads, stuff like that that's inside of my skin. So I was definitely recommended to use exfoliating scrubs and stuff like that 2 to 3 times a week. So I find that the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant has worked on my skin and has my skin looking good. So we're gonna do this now, and it's a powder. All right, so now I'm going to pour it on my skin. Basically, like I said, it's like a powder. So, and then you just put it on your skin, and you can also use it as a mask as well. And I'm telling you guys, this stuff works so good. And you want to work it in your skin. Get that neck. Because you guys, believe it or not, I never knew that I would be the type to break out on my neck. Oh, them breakouts, I don't break out as much, but I'm saying, like, I've gotten breakouts on my neck. Like, really? I literally be sitting like, really? I didn't even know that that's possible. But yeah, make sure you get your neck, because your neck will definitely be dirty. You need to get your neck. All right, you guys, so I let it sit on my face for a little bit, like a mask, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Okay, we've got the microfoliant off, and I'm just about to add some Aquaphor again because when I wash my face, my lips, the Aquaphor comes off my lips. So okay, so now the last two steps I'm gonna do is one of my favorite, my holy grail. Like I ended up buying this on accident, and it ended up like being something perfect for my skin. So this is, again, the Ordinary 100% plant derived squalene. This is the surface hydration. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is, ooh, like I love this stuff so much. Oh my goodness. I want to make sure my skin stays super hydrated. And I also want to get the Ordinary's eye serum too. Like the Ordinary, their products are so good. Like you will not regret it. You will not regret getting the Ordinary, I'm telling you. If you thought about trying it and you haven't, get it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary's natural moisturizing factors. This is a surface hydration as well. Works really good on my skin too. And like I said, I just dermaplaning with everything. So I want to make sure my skin is extra hydrated. And then you guys, tomorrow I have a retinol coming by the Ordinary, so I'm going to be incorporating that in this video. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and then I will show you guys the new supplements that I use, liquid collagens and stuff like that on my skin, and it has changed my skin drastically. So I cannot wait to show you guys. Good morning, you guys. So it is like 6 o'clock in the morning, I believe. I got my workout outfit on because I'm going to the gym after I get my brother together for school. So that's more a part of like my personal assistant type of job, but part of my self-care is of course working out, going to the gym, and then I'm going to Starbucks normally, like maybe I would say 3 or 4 times out the week. I go to Starbucks and I pick up Starbucks for me, my mom, and my sister, and of course I get me either iced coffee, a vanilla bean, or what is it, a vanilla espresso shot, a vanilla espresso drink. I forgot, but it's on the app. I always get it. I always get my stuff through the app, but I do have to drive into Starbucks today because I want to pay for it off of my Apple Pay. So yeah, headed to Starbucks. So you guys, in the morning time, this is my everyday morning routine. I do drink 100% raw cranberry juice, just a cup of that. I love the regular raw cranberry juice, no sugar added. I think that's the best one. And then of course, this is one of the best products I've ever used, which is liquid chlorophyll. It's an internal deodorizer, meaning no odor. You do have to be consistent with this. You would do about 15 drops every time you use it. Use it once a day. And I'm telling you guys, no type of odor. It's an internal deodorizer again, and the best thing you will ever use. So now I am also using two of my favorite products, which is one of them is the hyaluronic acid by Neocell. I've been using this for a couple of months now, and hyaluronic acid keeps you hydrated from the inside out, helps with your skin especially. I take 1 teaspoon of this every day, and sometimes I do take it at night as well. Keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. So this product, you guys, is fairly new. It's the Liquid Collagen by Spoiled Child. I have been using it for about 3 weeks now, and I have honestly seen results. It has brightened my skin drastically and also has my skin glowing and also plumper. I see it every day. I will add all of the ingredients in this video and also in the description box. So definitely check out all of these products, you guys. Again, it'll be in the description box. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.